This video might be the best video I ever made because today I'm going to show you how using zero budget, you can find the most winning product on the market right now. Now, if you are in the e-commerce business or the dropshipping business, you know that having a budget does help. But right now, using the power of AI, there is tools that you can use for free, especially at the beginning, to get all the research and market research you need to be flying products off your shelves. Now, I'm talking about a company called EverBee. There is a pricing plan to this, but using the free features is what I'm showing you today because I want people to believe it. When you say $0 startup, this really is $0 to get going. Yes, you might have to upgrade in the future, but to begin, it's going to be completely free. So let's get into this, guys. I'm not going to talk anymore about this being free. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, how you find them winning products without spending hours and hours hiring different staff to do it. Here we go, EverBee. So here you go, guys, on everbee.io. That's EverBee.io. The link is down below. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do everything I spoke about in the introduction for free. This is not a trick. You can see it, sign up for free. First, I'm going to give you an overview of what this company is doing. They have built this entire ecosystem for creators powered by what is the biggest thing right now, AI. All right, it's ready for business. Every single thing you need is here, whether it's finding winning products, building the site, and much more, guys. There's over 1 million people using this every single day. It's absolutely insane. One platform for everyone. So a few of the things that they do that is mind-blowing, all right? First of all, researching and finding winning products in minutes. I have spent hours and hours and hours of my life trying to find that product that just does sell. They do it in minutes, guys. It's absolutely insane. You can see what the products are, trending with real sales data. I'm actually going to show you this very, very soon. Okay, and you can validate all the products. They got an AI-powered store builder, so you can actually build one of the best stores. And I promise you, of all the stores I built in my 10 years of dropshipping, okay, this is the easiest and most professional way to do it. All right, they build stores better than I could ever do, and I am not a coder, I understand, but I am a general e-commerce YouTuber, and I cannot build better than their AI. We got the email marketing for creators and much more, guys. So let's go straight into this and show you how you can get it for free. This was not a trick. I'm not trying to take money from you. This is for free. So let's go. If you're struggling to grow your social media, there is one amazing platform out there that I've used and I know pretty much every single YouTuber has used. Now that is the sponsor today. It's SMMGO. If you go to SMMGO.io, you're going to see how you can change whatever social media business you have into a rocket ship. They're going to help you every single step of the way. You get real services with real speed and honest and transparent customer service. So guys, if you're looking to boost your social media and you just don't have the time or you just don't know how to do it, go to smmgo.io today, hit the link in description. But let's get back to the video. First thing you do is sign up to an account. I'm going to blur this out and fast forward. All right, then it's going to ask you, what is the purpose of you being here? Okay, what fits your needs? Is it the researching where finding the best-selling products on the internet is something you need to add to your e-commerce business? Is it the store side, launching the store, scaling the store, using AI to find out how to make your store better? Or is everything fine with the research, everything fine with your store, but you need the effective email marketing? This is a smart automation tool that you can use. So guys, choose what it is you need to take your business from where it is now to why you're watching this video. For me personally, it's the research side. Okay, I've been researching for 10 years. I've got a perfect system of doing it, but I need to find new ways of finding the new trending products. So I'm going to go with research right here. And it's going to load up my new dashboard. Okay, now in this new dashboard, you can see it first tells you the installation of the free extension. This is absolutely pivotal. All right, this is an amazing, amazing tool. If you add this to Chrome, it's going to be up here. Okay, make sure you add it. It's there for wherever you go. So when you go into Etsy and you're looking at products, it's going to give you real-time data. Absolutely insane. I'll show you that very soon as well. All right, so let's go into Etsy and let me show you exactly how this uses. Okay, so we're going to go to the product analysis right here. All right, now let's go to some of the best products and it walks you right through. This is why I love EverBee, guys. All right, it takes you through exactly what it's going to show. So check out the best selling products. All right, next. I'm going to view the inside of the listings, no problem. Okay, so we got the bubble gum dash. This is a Halloween spider web. This is a product at $102. You can see the reviews and much more on here. So it's giving you real life analytics. Okay, guys, very, very cool. If you click on it, it's going to come up on the right-hand side. And of course, with the paid features, guys, you're going to get way more in depth. But this video is purposely to show you how you don't need to spend a lot of money. You can do this for absolutely free just to begin. So I can see here how many reviews it has, how many views it has, the favorites, okay, and the listing age. This is absolutely insane. And of course, if I log into my actual account, use the paid feature, I get way more, way more details, okay? But again, I'm trying to show you how to do this for free. So this is where you can get them details on it. Now, one of the most important things that I really like is the listing age and the total reviews. If this age, okay, you can see here 49 months with 7 reviews, that's pretty good. If it's a lower listing age and a higher review, you know that this is going to be a very good product. All right, it's really interesting. Now, you can see here, we're going to go for some bigger ones. So I'm going to show you 9 months, 1,472 reviews. This means this product is flying off shelves. All right, there's 401,000 views for this. It's absolutely insane every single month. This is mental because 9 months ago, to get 164 views, so to get 1,472 reviews means this is an incredible product, okay? And you can see here the tags that we're going to use. So now when we're trying to sell this product, you're going to be having tags that are absolutely consumed in the same ecosystem as what you're trying to sell. All right, if we keep scrolling down, I'm going to show you more details. When this was made, what kind of listing this is it customizable, craft supply, personalized? It gives you everything, guys. This is something that used to take me and the team that I have a long time to find the information of. Now we can find it in just a couple of seconds. And not only that, guys, right? You can go to just shop. So let's go with knife. Okay, if you type in knife here and you search, it's going to search the listing of knives. You can see here like copper Laura Eagle knife. Okay, and again, we're going to try and find one with massive reviews. Here's an 18-monther with 1,512. Let's go. Let's actually just click this and go to the top. 24,000 over 62 months, which is insane. And what is this? This is the engraved pocket knife. Again, so I've just found another winning product in my niche, which is knives, for free, found the exact listing age, the views, the favorites, knowing that this is actually winning. This is not just someone saying it's going. Go into more details. I can find out it's a physical. Can I customize it? I cannot. I can personalize it, which is fantastic. Okay, and much more. Like I found that in a few clicks for free. We've done this video for less than 4 minutes, guys, and I've already found you a product that you can sell that's guaranteed to get views, to get reviews if you sell it on a Shopify store. And guys, if you keep watching these videos, you'll see how I can also get this store built, okay, which is insane. So there is much more that they give, guys, with their products. Okay, like I said, they got the store, the keyword research, EverBee research, and everything. With their resources, you can stay with the blogs, their knowledge bases, their calculators, webinars, courses, and much more. Their pricing is absolutely fantastic. But again, want to show you perfectly in this video how you can get started for free, guys. All right, contact them if you want to upgrade, or just go straight to the upgrade part and do it yourself. Okay, with the pricing, it is super affordable. If you want to go for free like you just showed on here, you can, and you're gonna get everything that I've showed you. If you wanna go a little bit deeper, guys, which in some videos I will do for you, for those of you that have a bit of a budget, you can go with the $19.99. Tell me the last time you went to Starbucks and did not spend $20. Okay, if you wanna spend $20 in 1 month, you can get everything I've shown you, plus way more analytics. If you wanna go for a business plan, if you actually have a big team, big company, you can go for $69, guys. The link down below is going to get you straight there. This is the easiest way to start in the e-commerce business for free, and then upscale your business by upgrading your plan and getting more details on it, guys. It's absolutely insane. Cannot recommend EverBee any more than I'm trying to right now. Okay, again, I'm going to be making a lot of videos on this. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor. Make sure you use this tool. It's free. You don't lose anything, and see if you love it just as much as I do. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and the bell if you're notified. I'll see you next time.